Hey everyone, today I will show a Microsoft Excel analysis that you might find useful. If you are thinking of cheap holidays at abroad, this video will help you to find where to go on your holidays. Let's get into it. This analysis will be based on four sections. Number one, parameters. Number two, variable cost analysis. Number three, fixed cost analysis. And number four, final decision. I'm going to start by adding few parameters to my Excel sheet, such as number of people going on the holiday trip. In my case, I would like to bring the entire family, baby. So that would be 4 people. I would also have another parameter, that is number of days on this trip. So we will go for 15 days and our total budget for the holiday is $10,000. We are very poor. And then we have per day cost, that would be heading. Then we will have fixed costs. There we go. Then I have few alternatives here, like where I want to go, Thailand for example. Also, I would like to go to Indonesia, very beautiful. And then I would like to go to Maldives. My God, very expensive. Firstly, we need food. Of course, that is one important thing when traveling. We also need to have somewhere to stay. We are not going to stay at road. We are going to be away for 15 days, right? We do need to sleep for time to time. So accommodation, a hotel or something. And then we want to do activities. There may be transportation sometimes. There are fixed costs. Those are plane fare, visas, and preparation costs. Okay. Just few example here. So, and then we just fill these things with values. And let us say that the food in Thailand cost $30 a day, and that will be, of course, the dollar value. So I'm going to put that in. The accommodation would be $30. Okay. And I'm going to do the same. This is all going to be dollars. And so I'm just using the same format everywhere. The activities are mostly going to be lying on the beach, baby. So that is going to be $20, and then transportation. I don't actually need a transportation, but still $2 Thailand is okay, right? Next, Indonesia, which is probably going to be cheaper on the foods. Accommodation is going to be more expensive too. The activities are going to be expensive too. Oh God. But I do not need the transportation there either, but yet $8 for Indonesia. Another option is Maldives. Whew, beautiful country. Foods will be cost like $60 per day. Very expensive. The accommodation cost going to be $100. My God, so expensive. Activities and transportation would be $20 for each. Next, the fixed cost. The plane fare of Thailand would be around about $506, right? Visa cost will be $26, and the preparation would be cost like $100. For Indonesia, plane fare is $704, and no visa needed. So no visa fee. So I will leave the cell blank. Preparation cost will be $100. Next, Maldives. Plane fare $977. No visa required, and preparation cost will be same $100. Next, right, total trip cost in the cell B21, we will still a condition because we have limited budget for the trip. To create condition, go to the conditional formatting and create two rules. If total trip is below or equal to total budget, then cell will be green, or not it will be red. All right, we have a lot of data here, so let us do calculations and then we can do some here. You know, one of the beautiful things are in Excel is this, of course, is the format as table. So I'm going to select this and format this as a table, and then I can go in and without doing my formulas at all, I can just add a total row, and I will select the total row here and do on each of those. Then I'm going to do a day by day. Beautiful. So we see in Thailand spent $82 a day. In Indonesia, $98, and Maldives, $200. Oh my God. For the fixed cost, we'll do the same thing. Make that into a table. There we make that into a table also. There we go, and then I will just add on the table tools here the total row again. All right, beautiful. So now I would do the total trip cost, and that would be the per day total cost multiplied by number of days multiply plus fixed cost total multiplied by number of peoples. Do not forget to give absolute reference to number of people cell and number of days cell while doing the calculation. Okay, and if you want to know more about absolute reference, please check the video on my playlist. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, we do not need to multiply that by number of days because those are one-time costs, right? So total trip cost would be 700, sorry, $7,448 for Thailand. Now just drag the function. Sorry, it's not function, it's actually formula to the right cell. Voila! These are your total trip cost of Indonesia and Maldives. We have a particularly good motivation not to go to shopping. Sad for us. But anyway, this does show off the respective features in Microsoft Excel are very useful, right? So as we can see, Thailand and Indonesia trip are in our budget, and Maldives cost is out of our budget. So this time we will go according to our cheap holiday budget. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. I do my budgeting like this in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please like and comment and share with your friends. And how you do your budgeting, let me know in the comment section for sure. Till then, take care. Ta-da.